How to use desktop mode on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use desktop mode on Google Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this 3 points on the top corner, this one, click on it and then click here, desktop site, and now all you need to do is just type anything you want here, like Facebook, and as you see, desktop mode has been enabled, and that's how to use desktop mode on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.